According to a NASA research report, is a sleeping climate giant stirring in the Arctic. Over hundreds of millennia, Arctic permafrost soils have accumulated vast stores of organic carbon, an estimated 1,400 to 1,850 petagrams of it. A petagram is 2.2 trillion pounds, or 1 billion metric tons. That's about half of all the estimated organic carbon stored in Earth's soils. In comparison, about 350 petagrams of carbon have been emitted from all fossil fuel combustion and human activities since 1850. Most of this carbon is located in thaw-vulnerable topsoils within 10 feet or 3 meters of the surface. NASA scientists, along with others, are learning that the Arctic permafrost and its stored carbon may not be as permanently frosted as its name implies. Research scientist Charles Miller of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is the principal investigator of the Carbon in Arctic Reservoirs Vulnerability Experiment, CARV, a 5-year NASA-led field campaign to study how climate change is affecting the Arctic's carbon cycle. He told NASA, permafrost soils are warming even faster than Arctic air temperatures, as much as 2.7 to 4.5 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1.5 to 2.5 degrees Celsius in just the past 30 years. As heat from Earth's surface penetrates into permafrost, it threatens to mobilize these organic carbon reservoirs and release them into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide and methane, upsetting the Arctic's carbon balance and greatly exacerbating global warming. He fears the potential results should a full-scale permafrost melt take place. As he points out, changes in climate may trigger transformations that are simply not reversible within our lifetimes, potentially causing rapid changes in the Earth system that will require adaptations by people and ecosystems. The recent NASA study highlights the discovery of active and growing methane vents up to 150 kilometers across. A scientist on a research ship in the area described this as a bubbling as far as the eye can see, in which the seawater looks like a vast pool of seltzer. Between the summers of 2010 and 2011, scientists found that in the course of a year, methane vents only 30 centimeters across had grown a kilometer wide, a 333,333% increase, and an example of the non-linear rapidity with which parts of the planet are responding to climate disruption.